Up there you go. Start recording. Hell yeah. So I've got lost motivation. So let's start this again. So there's that line, and yes, I got this kind of right in position. Something like this. Yeah, it's a bit to the back here, like kind of in this position here. Yeah, it's like that. Okay, so it's a bit taller. I can tell you that. Um, get this here. What? Hmm. This. Hold on. I need this type of color again. Okay. And then this. Okay. This. Oh no, that's already have that. I think the last one should be this, right? What color is this? That's that color. Nah, that should be that. Done. So is this okay? Yeah, it's the right color. I got the helmet, top of the helmet accurate, just a tiny bit accurate, but just a tiny bit is fine. So this the mask goes, even though it's not sharp, or should I make it sharp just to make a bit accurate? Here, let me try to remove this here, and make it. Is it how near is it? Not that near, so it's kind of like this. Yeah, it's kind of like that. Next is it's a straight line instead of like this overlay thing. So straight line. Like so. Yeah, something like that. Can you see through that? No. Okay. A bit straight line there, but that is already a straight line kind of. Next is this part right here. I might need to sharpen this like this, and then that. Sharpen the edge, but not too much. Like this. No. Maybe like that. Maybe it's good enough. Like this is not that accurate here. This. Then this thing just straight through. Then we can make an outline here. And we can make this. No. We can make this a bit thicker. Like so. And hey, look at that. It's the thing. The edges. But doesn't look black. Doesn't look like it. Here, let me make it thick. This is a bit like, wonky, kind of curved. I don't like that. So This should be it. Right. So okay. It kind of bit strange. Okay, but hey, I did it at least. Okay. Next are these lines here. So first is the first ones go here. Actually, no, let's just make this oval thing like around here, like that. Then after that, you know, okay, it will go down like in a straight line, and then you go up and here. Hey, that's pretty good. So yeah, that's the first part done. I hope, because I don't want to do this again. I don't want to keep doing this map type of thing. Can you let it black? It's transparent. Okay. What color is it again? No, not. Oh, it's okay. There we go. Now let's try Doomslayer. I mean, I could just copy and paste, but I don't know if it's different than the Doomslayer. It's got more design, like this here. Here's like this is the sign I'm trying to do. So Doomslayer has more designs to the mask. Like every single part of the body has designs. Like damn, that's a lot. I want it like the art side to side. I don't see it. I don't really see any art that's side to side. This is the only thing I can find here. This is Doomslayer. If I were to go here, will it be like the original Doomslayer mask? Like here, it got a lot of design on it, but here, compared to the other ones, it's okay. It's not that many of a design. So maybe I just need to copy and paste this and add a lot of designs to it. And that's how it works maybe. So here, copy and paste. Make this rotate horizontally. We should have the Doomslayer. Yeah, the Doomslayer's helmet. Because again, this Duranite helmet is inspired by that. So yeah. Next is I should remove this, like it has oxygen mask. It is okay, so but it's not that way, and the thing I should remove is this part. Doesn't have Doomslayer doesn't have those outlines. He will probably be annoyed if he has those because he wants to see where he wants to go. Like he's going in many speeds. This is the color I was trying to find, right? Yeah, I think so. There you go. Next is making it a color. So the color of Doomslayer is like greeny, I say, like this, for example, like light green or dark green of a color. Doomslayer has like light green and dark green everywhere. The dark, maybe the light green is mainly the color, and the dark green is only for shading. So I guess that's all. Where's the art that I'm trying to find? Nah, screw it. I'll just try to find it. Oh, there you go. I found it. Yeah, it's gone. Nice. I'm pretty. I'm blind as fuck. Okay. No. Yep, there you go. So, as far as I can tell, a lot of designs. A lot. I think it's not sharp as this edge here. But maybe it could. Maybe he just looking up. I mean, upwards or something. I mean, let's try to find this. Let's try to look at this original. Or actually, maybe let's do go on YouTube. The only thing, no, the only thing they fear is I know there is one AOST. I mean, AOST that it has this art a bit more high quality. It's like 4K or something, right? Let's just do 720. So, as you can see here, Doomslayer has those lines on its oxygen mask, and it's kind of like an oxygen mask, but yeah, it's just maybe just a design. And we see this. The top of it is very sharp, unlike Duranite, which isn't that sharp. So, meaning I have to sharpen this. I am waiting. Oh wait, I'm also waiting for rain to spawn to get unknown schematics too. Just telling you that. So that means I need color again. Okay, light green. It's not this color, obviously. Let me try to somewhere around here. No. Here. Yes. Maybe this will look like Doomslayer. Does it look like it? I mean, maybe look like a soldier. I mean, Doomslayer is a soldier, like a super soldier. I think his lore, he was a soldier, and then he killed his own commander, sent to a mission that no man can do, and he did it by himself. So I guess it makes him a soldier. But I don't think it's this color. Maybe a bit more darker or lighter. Doom Eternal. Doomslayer. Doomslayer. Oh, this is gonna be so hard. Just doing the old color itself. I mean, so it is a line type of thing, like this. Yes, it is like that. Is it? And this is for shading if I can, is it? Me. Oh, close. I don't think it's that bright. So maybe lower it here. Yeah, I guess it is this. Okay. We got 3 lightings for Slayer. Or Doom Slayer, whatever. I'm just gonna call him Slayer. Or Doom Guy. I mean, Doom. They call him Doom Guy because, you know, he's Doom Guy. Uh, hey, there you go, side view. Okay, I finally found a side view of it. Okay, so let's see. It's a bit more, you know, face, but I can already saw what it's like here. It has oxygen mask and it's this thing here a bit more sharper than the original Duranite. So let's try to. I'll try to color this to here to this. Maybe here to outline. Let me try to recreate this. Oh my! Finally I've got this. I haven't got Holy Unholy for a while now. Like I'm lacking of unholies a lot and holies. And I need evil or something. Evil essence. I think the boss here dropped evil essence. Actually no, I don't. It's not. I think it's not. Yeah, it's not this. So evil essence is from Void. I think. I don't think it's Void. It's like Astaroth or whatever. I am enjoy. Just I please kill that man. I don't wanna do this anymore. Let me go. Clean legendary is not good as this Duran I fought on Saber. This boy can has alone 3000 DPS with its this is the ability. And oh, in addition to that, doesn't kill your minions or summons. I'm sorry, but I'm sick kind of. I have some easy. I mean, let's say. There goes. Jesus Christ. Is that virtue? Hey, virtue. What up? No, that's wrong. Hey, virtue. I like your sword. Not gonna lie, pretty good. So, good thing about your night then. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm gonna die. Good thing about your nights compared to the kiln or killing, I don't know, kiln probably. What people call this? The whole. Okay. How about the holy flame? So, the holy flame has good range, but doesn't deal a lot of damage as the Photon Saber. Because Photon Saber is more damage than its ability. Like the ability for the Holy Flame, sure, its rain deals a lot, but compared to the Photon Saber, oh boy, the DPS 30,000. So yeah. Ah, okay. Maybe the minions can, or my summons can handle it, and my protector. Anyways, side view. Okay. So it is like that, but At this time, it has orange instead of instead of this line thing, it's orange. Plus, it's thick. So, what orange though? What kind of orange? Okay, a bit darker of an orange. This dark. So, I wonder which outline I should do. Just wondering. Maybe this black outline that I just did. So it will look like this. Let me fix this. Oh, okay. Nice. Okay. So that's the one, and then I can just color this all of them to this color. Not gonna. It looks more brighter, but hey, at least is it this? Okay. Oh, yeah, it is this, but it's a bit more lighter. Should I switch it up to this color because I don't think. Oh, now it looks like an 8-bit type of thing. Okay, that's actually pretty nice and But wait, what happens if I do spray? Will it look like no? Doing it manually is better. So like again, Doomslayer is a yellowish. Oh, there you go. Yellowish greenish. So maybe I should change it. Change that color. So here he is yellowish and greenish and a bit dark, I think, or is it just this darkish and just tiny bit here like this. Okay, now it's accurate. Okay, nice. Maybe the outline, and maybe I should change the outline, but I'm not sure about that first. So let's do this. Shall we do? Actually, yeah, let me do this first. And then that. Here. Let me do this orange thing that he has. Yeah, it's like near him. It's not that near, so I should finish this. This is so hard to feel out. Okay, now we do this. Okay, next this is glass. It's greenish and bluish. Okay, greenish and bluish, greenish and bluish, green. Yeah. Somewhere around here. I think it's dark. Not that dark.
Yan, yun rin maligo ha.
Mm.
Maganda nito likod. Ito ang anin mo yan. Ito, yan. Ito, mag-spam.
Yeah.
Paano na lang na mag-spam. Dito, konti na lang.
Yeah. Dark green. Let's not do that. Let's try to fill this up first. How about that? Okay, my yeah, spawn. Yeah, that is true. I need to. Why? J cross? No. This is swing speed. Fire grace. No. 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 Instant charm. What the heck? Special predatory rate increases damage, increase testing speed, and you can apply charm debuff. Dudes. Is there? No, 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 Scott's not much crazy. Okay, fair enough. Yes, yes, it is. Yes, nice. Which is, that's really hard to draw. I admit it. That is really hard. Something like this. Go forward. Okay. And then is it sharp? I know it's like his mask is kind of like mad or something or angry, but is it really sharp? Sure, no. Yes, it is. Okay, so it isn't like that. It's a sharp turn. Got it. Sharp turn. E sharp turn. E sharp turn. Yeah, sharp turn. How sharp it is, I don't know. Okay, no, sharp, okay. You chose the path of perpetual torment. And name him the Doomslayer. Oo nga pala nun. Ako, natulog. Ano yan? Message. Sino? Sinabi ko. And then, 4 pieces na kawayan ko. 2, 5. Ayun. Hindi na lang. Okay. Four pieces ano? So good. Steve spot.
The best.
Ah.
Then,
I have that color, I think. No, I don't. Oh. Legalize nuclear bombs. Oh. Sport free at last. Oh, Gabriel. Now thoughts die reckoning, and thy gore shall listen before the temples of man. Creature of steel, gratitude upon thee for my freedom. Hmm. I mean, I don't know. So not. I mean, its head is a bit okay. It's a bit taller. Up. Like this toy thing should be. Should be good enough. Yeah, it should be good enough now. And that's all it for now. Oh my god, of two forces meeting each other. Really, really interesting fight it will be. So yeah, thank you for watching. I guess that's it for now. Bye. The Duranite is more easier than the draw than Doomslayer Summit because Doomslayer Summit is more design, has more design. I mean. So oh wait, maybe I need before I go, I'm going to do this. Just because I just saw the picture, it's kind of a bit more extended. There we go. Anyways, yeah, thank you for watching, and I'm still maybe gonna continue this later on other videos. So yeah, wait, it's kind of look weird. You know, maybe this is should be enough. Or just this, to be honest. I just wanna. There you go. So yeah, bye, I guess.